Welcome to the Autodesk Maya course. We're so excited to have you here. Before you jump into using Maya, I want to introduce you to my amazing co-instructor, Lucas.
Hi, I'm Lucas Ridley, and I'm the lead instructor on this course. I've been using Maya since about 2010, and I've worked as an animator on big-budget Hollywood movies like Transformers, Suicide Squad, Ready Player One, and Avengers: Infinity War. I've also worked on video games like The Last of Us Part 2. In this course, I'm going to show you all the skills you need to get started on your career path as a professional 3D artist in the game or film industry.
We designed this course to take you from absolute beginner with no experience using Maya to advanced user feeling comfortable and confident using this application to create your own animations.
I've included downloadable project files in each section so you can follow along and see how I design and animate the project that you'll be working on. This project is inspired by Pixar's Coco, and it will leave you truly inspired and confident as a 3D animator. If you ever get stuck, please leave a question, comment, send me a message, and we will get back to you as fast as we can. I'm excited to dive right in, so let's get going.